This UPS is basically a power superhero. Eaton 5P1500R-L review. Why you need one, fast. Let's be real. Downtime is the devil. You're grinding away, deep in server config or mid-deployment, and bam! Power flickers, systems crash, your day's toast. Sound familiar? Whether you're managing a rack of mission-critical gear or just trying to keep a clean network closet, flaky UPS systems make everything harder. Constant alarms, battery replacements every other year, and a UI that looks like it time-traveled from 2005. If you've been burned by unreliable backup power, you know the frustration. Lost data, fried gear, and time wasted playing tech whack-a-mole. The Eaton 5P1500R-L? Yeah, it was built to end that chaos. Now imagine. You're behind on a project, the client's breathing down your neck, and the network's twitching like it's haunted. Old-school lead-acid UPS units don't just fail, they fail when you need them most. Add in clunky maintenance, slow recharges, and batteries dying faster than your motivation, it's a full-blown disaster waiting to happen. Missed deadlines become missed paychecks. Downtime morphs into lost trust. And when your whole setup's at risk from a flicker of power, that stress starts chewing at your sanity. Your gear deserves better. You deserve better. Burnout? Yeah, this is how it starts. Enter the Eaton 5P1500R-L, a literal power ninja in a sleek one you form. This isn't your grandma's UPS. We're talking true sine wave output, ultra-reliable lithium-ion battery tech, and a battery management system that's smart enough to warn you before something even thinks about failing. With up to 8 years of battery life, this beast outlasts typical UPS systems by miles, and yeah, it recharges in just hours, not a full workday. Rack it, wall-mount it, run it cold-started, it's rugged, hot-swappable, and ready to roll. One glance at the LCD display and you'll wonder why you didn't upgrade sooner. This powerhouse delivers serious perks. 6 programmable outlets, AVR line filtering, a snappy LCD interface, and optional gigabit network card support for remote management that's smoother than your favorite playlist. You'll never guess how much time, money, and mental bandwidth you save until you see it in action. And while yes, it's compact, it packs the punch of a UPS twice its size. Got sensitive gear? This pure sine wave champ keeps it humming safely. No beeps of doom. No sudden shutdowns. Just peace of mind, 24/7. Wanna see how it stacks up IRL? Hit that video play button, let's go deep. Act fast, stock on these doesn't sit still. With tech pros, IT teams, and power users snapping them up, the Eaton 5P1500R-L is flying off shelves. Backed by a 5-year warranty, yeah, even the battery, it's a zero-regret move for anyone tired of rolling the dice on power. Think it's too much for your setup? Think again, this is future-proofing made smart. Thousands are already winning with it. Now it's your turn. Tap the link, lock yours in, and take control of your uptime. Don't wait for your next power outage to regret it. Secure your Eaton UPS today and stay protected like a boss.